Do you need to know how to change the fuel filter on your petrol Saab 9.3? Stick around, come with me and let me show you how it's done. First of all, raise the back right hand corner of the car. Have a tray handy to catch any fuel that you might spill. Keep the handbrake tight on and chock the wheels on the other side. The filter is situated on the side of the petrol tank, about 1.5 foot inboard of the sill and about 1 foot forward of the rear right wheel. I'll show you in a few moments how to get these pipes disconnected. Pull apart this and the opposite clip on this plastic bracket and pull the filter forwards. I've used the plastic caps off the new filter to plug the pipe ends of the old filter to cut down on fuel spillage. The forward connector on the filter towards the front of the car has a blue clip on one side. You need to squeeze that in, push it in, and then that allows you to pull the filter out of the clip. I've found either a pair of pipe grips, or another method is if you get a pair of long nose pliers and put a tie wrap round the end. You can use the tie wrap can push the blue clip in. The rearward connector has a clip inside it which locks onto the ring on the filter pipe. The filter comes with spare clips, and I'll show you off the car how to get that off. The clip has 2 locking tabs, one each side there and there, that lock behind the ring on the inlet and outlet pipe. So to get those off, you need to get a screwdriver or similar implement behind the clip, and off it comes. Luckily it does not matter if you destroy the internal clip whilst doing it. Obviously you mustn't damage the external clip. Put a new clip into the rear pipe connection, and making sure that the arrows point forwards in the direction of flow, push the filter onto the pipe until it clicks home. Then put it back into the holder and push the forward pipe into place. To help hold the filter into place, I've put an extra tie wrap round it, stop it wobbling about. Now restart the car, turn the ignition on, allow the pump to run for a few seconds before starting. Inspect your handiwork to make sure that there are no leaks of fuel and that the connections are on tight. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments, advice, let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much, and see you on the other side of that screen soon.